Rules for divisibility. Any whole number is exactly divisible by 2 if its last digit is even or 0. For example, in these numbers, the first two numbers, their last digit ends in 8 and 4, while the last number, the third number, the last digit is 0. So these numbers are divisible by 2. 5. If its last digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, these numbers are divisible by 5 because the last digit of the first number is 0 and the last digit of the second number is 5. 10. Any whole number is exactly divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. For example, we have this number, the last digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 10. 4. Any whole number is exactly divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0, 0. So we'll take an example. For example, this number ends with 0, 0, 2 zeros at the digit. So the number 80,200 is divisible by 4. And again, 6,284. The last two digits are 84. So since the last two digits are 84, the number is divisible by 4. 8. The rule for divisibility for 8. If the last three digits form a number divisible by 8, or the last three digits are 0, 0, 0, then the number is divisible by 8. For example, 34,232. The last digit is 232, which is divisible by 8. Also, 84,000. In 84,000, the last digits, or the last three digits are 0, 0, 0. So the 84,000 is divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 3, then the sum of its digit is also divisible by 3. Let's take an example. In this example, we have 342,322. So we take the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits are 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now we look at the divisibility rule for 6. If its last digit is even and the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So let's take a look at this example. 642,324. The last digit is 4, which is even. Then let's check if the number is divisible by 3 by taking the sum of the digits. So the sum of the digits are 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3, and 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Hence, 642,324 is divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 9, the sum of its digits is also divisible by 9. For example, 32,463 is divisible by 9. Let's check that by taking the sum of its digits. The sum of its digits are 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3, which is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So therefore, 32,463 is divisible by 9. Now let's look at the rule for divisibility for 7. We multiply the last digit of the number by 5 and then add the result to the number formed by each remaining digit. We'll take this example, 385. The last digit is 5, so we multiply that number by 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. The remaining digit of the number forms 38. So we are going to add 38 to 25. So 38 plus 25 is equal to 63. Now we divide 63 by 7. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Since this 63 is divisible by 7, then 385 is divisible by 7. For 11, if the difference between the sum of the odd places and the sum of the even places is either 0 or it is either divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. We take this example, 1089. So let's write it out. So we have 1089 making the digits of the number. So the first digit is odd, the second digit is even, the third digit is odd, the fourth digit is even. So that repeats itself continuously. So let's take the sum of the odd places. The sum of the odd places are 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. The sum of the even places are 0 plus 9, which is equal to 9. So let's take the difference of odd and even. So taking the difference of odd and even, we get 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So since the difference is equal to 0, we say that 1089 is divisible by 11. And finally, 12. For a number to be divisible by 12, the number is also divisible by both 2 and 3. So that will be all for divisibility rule.